But to make it hard on her, I have a little trick for her that she does not know. Throughout the entire video, you cannot talk.
What?
You cannot talk. You guys have been asking for this video or like for this challenge for a while now. I keep looking at the comments and all I see it's like, oh, you should do one not talking for 24 hours or without your glasses. People really don't want you to see.
Are we gonna do both or we
No, we could do the no talking. The only way that you could communicate is like moving your head and your hands. And since she wants to go to this dance so bad, if you talk just one word or one sound, we're not going to the dance. I'm just gonna cancel the dance.